So I'm here to pick up Ria at the airport. She has been in London for a month, so thank God she's back. Get some stuff done. So gonna get her now. Almost there. This is the arrival section. Man, I hear since 3 o'clock and I have video footage to prove it. Right? Don't let me send you back on that plane. You start back already. Total your bags. You wanna help this young lady here? No? I guess not. That man ain't taking that bit. Alright, I think that's how my things are.
Where did you say?
This one not in it. So, about sometime last night, my friend purchased this piece of shit. It's a 4-door, just like mine. So, got it for a good deal, so bought it. Gonna pump some money in it to make sure it looks good, feels good, but this is actually what it looks like right now. Yeah, that's mine. It's covered down.
Don't miss this fucking car. We didn't get to go as far as we wanted to on the build, but I mean it is up for sale and we have a buyer interested already, so we're gonna sell and then we're gonna use the money from this on the Integra. Yep. So went from a Civic to Integra. Let's see how it goes.
Dog, if I get a small rub, dog, if I get a little rub down before you sell, dog, it's a small thing, dog. Yeah, son. Truck man do anything.
And she do so and how like we do so really do a life on times now though, because imagine I can't even find my fucking ID card like that.
Well,
my ID card was going to the bank card and everything.
And she said it in the car.
Yeah, so I don't know what the fuck when I take this.
Alright, well, shut her trying to find a bonnet for you. That'll be real nice because I mean we gotta put our video before this.
Battery.
Battery look.
Yeah, battery about to die on us. Should have charged before.
Well, you know you do your thing?
No, well, I mean, I didn't intend on doing this in the first place. Yeah, the most important thing, we get this, we'll get the hood after. Sweating fucking balls, watch him. Dog, you're literally outside us.
Yeah, but the AC was off all the time. Am I sweating?
You was driving, dog.
Gerald,
You fucked that.
brother, you call me, dog. Is you seen?
Right, but when I'm checking number on my phone and see your name come up, I'm not going to get called up. Yeah, I'm looking out for them.
Alright.
He will call you for what,
No,
bro?
he's out the weirdest call ever.
No, but he will call you for what?
He call me on WhatsApp, then ask me if I call he, then tell me he. Alright, I'll call him.
For what?
I don't know.
So we actually have some started it to get it up and going. He wants circle lights like mine, so he purchased this, and so we starting this build sometime soon. So there we go. There's my Integra, and yeah, so this is his front. We're gonna change the whole front. So this is basically what it is.